Hi everyone, welcome to J7409 Weather. My name is Jewel. Today is Friday, the 5th of February, 2021. I'm so sorry, my friends, that it's been a while since I've been here. I had to have some wiring redone because of Florence. Yeah, I'm still working on Florence problems. I've had no internet, hardly no phone service for 3 days, but I'm back now. We're looking at my future radar. This is for today through 4 a.m. Saturday morning. And folks, let me tell you something. The Siberian Express is on the way. If you think you've seen some cold temperatures, you haven't seen anything yet. We're going to have heavy lake effect snows likely tomorrow across the eastern shores of the Great Lakes. Multiple rounds of heavy snow on the way for the Cascades and northern and central Rockies. And folks, life-threatening wind chills are going to enter the northern plains tonight. And this Siberian Express is going to push very far south. As we take a look at the precipitation map, what kind of precipitation may happen, you can see I have it set for tomorrow night, Saturday. We will turn it on, let it roll through a little bit. We do have this low system over here. We have another one that is coming up in here. You can see the snow pushing across in places. North Carolina, Tennessee, Kentucky, it's going to move on across. Everybody over here in the western sections, we got snow. Up in Michigan, snow. This is Sunday at 4 a.m. And by Tuesday, let me tell you what, if you live in western Tennessee, around Atoka, Tennessee, you can have some rain, you can have some snow, freezing rain, and sleet, all of it together. And with the wind chills as cold as they're going to be, I have a feeling it's going to be more freezing rain, sleet, and possibly some snow mixed in it than just rain. We'll have to wait and see. I will stop this just a moment, and I will click it over here to Tuesday around 1 a.m. You can see where we are having the freezing rain start now, with snow still up in New York, Michigan, parts of Pennsylvania. As we move it to around 9:10, you can see rain starts out in western Tennessee, but we have sleet and freezing rain right behind it. We'll go to 4 p.m. in the afternoon. We've got freezing rain and sleet for the most part. As we move up some to around 9 p.m. that evening, looks like you guys right in this area. I haven't talked about Tennessee in a while, but you can see right in this area, right in here. I want to show you. Freezing rain, sleet. All the models are showing it. It's a better chance of that than anything else. Looks like it's going to start out as rain in western Tennessee, end up as freezing rain and sleet, probably going through to around at least 4 a.m. Wednesday morning. So I don't know how much accumulation right now is going to happen, but some could happen. I want to hop back a moment to around 2 a.m. Sunday morning while I have this brought up some. I know everybody up north wants to know about the snow. Well, in western North Carolina, we do have freezing rain at this time, with snow moving on up just about for the entire state of Virginia, looking like snow. Maybe 2.5 inches. We'll move it up a little more Sunday to around lunchtime. Let's see what happens then. Everybody up north is starting to get some. New Jersey, this is looking like a little over an inch here. We'll move to Connecticut, a little over an inch. We'll go to Massachusetts. We'll try to anyway. Here we go. Well, I don't want that. Here we go, right here. Let's check it one more time for you. Same thing. A little over an inch. And in southern Maine, it shouldn't be too much, hardly nothing at all. Few sprinkles here or there. But as we move on, we'll go to Sunday at 11 p.m. We'll see what it's looking like now up for Maine. Just a little over an inch. Now, this could change. If it does, I'll be sure and let you know. But folks, we got to check out this cold, cold air. Looking at the watches and warnings map, I can't go through all of them now. I'll try to post them later this evening over in the community page. You can go check them all out there, but I have to mention these pinks are winter storm warnings. The bluers, darker bluers, are winter weather advisories and watches, but this light blue, this is wind chill warnings. Just take a look at this. This is for portions of north central, northwest Minnesota, and northeast and southeast North Dakota. You are under a wind chill warning in effect from 6 p.m. this evening until noon Tuesday. This cold Siberian air coming down is not going to be going anywhere. Dangerously cold wind chills expected. Wind chills as low as 50 below zero. Once again, portions of north central, northwest Minnesota, and northeast and southeast North Dakota from 6 p.m. this evening till noon Tuesday. The dangerously cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 10 minutes. Avoid outside activities if possible, and when you are outside, make sure you wear appropriate clothing, hats, gloves, the whole 9 yards. Here's one more I want to show you, wind chill advisory. It's in effect from 3 a.m. Saturday till noon Sunday. Very cold wind chills expected. Wind chills as low as 34 below zero in portions of northwest and west central Wisconsin and central, east central, and west central Minnesota. Once again, 3 a.m. tomorrow till noon Sunday. Now, the wind chills will be the coldest during the late night through mid-morning hours, and the wind chill should improve to 15 below to 25 below zero for a little bit of time Saturday afternoon. I feel for you folks. Lighter winds expected Sunday afternoon currently should allow for a break in the wind chill advisory, but other advisories will likely be needed for next week. Now, as we take a look at the wind chills, you can see this is set for 12Z today. We're going to run it on through. Now, this is just wind chills. Look at this. 23 below zero. Look at this. Cold, cold air. It's coming down, and it's going to continue to come down. As we move through the days ahead, you can see how it is pressing on through. Oh my goodness, I think of my friend Barbara out in Miami, Oklahoma. 7 degrees wind chill, 3 degrees wind chill. This is on the 7th. And you can see everywhere up north and moving across, cold, cold, cold. It begins to warm up a little bit by Sunday as we have the pressures moving up with the winds changing. But will it stay? That's the problem. Looking like it's coming back again, as you can see. Let's go back here just a second. On the 8th, look, we got 25 degrees in northern Georgia. Over here in Alabama, 24 degrees in northern Alabama. Northern Mississippi, 26 degrees. Cold, cold, cold. Down at the panhandle here of Alabama, 36. It's going to get so cold, folks. I can't stress this enough. That's why I'm harping on it. Make sure your plants are in, your pipes are wrapped, and you stay inside if it's at all possible, especially up in the Midwest sections of the U.S. And up in Canada, for all my Canadian friends, cold, cold, cold. Please stay safe. If you're into the weather and you haven't subscribed and you like daily forecasts, please subscribe, click that bell, and check off all to ensure you get all my latest weather forecasts. I would appreciate that very, very much. This is a NAM map for the next 3 days, courtesy of Tropical Tidbit. Looking like, folks, that earlier I told you, yes, everybody up in these areas here, you're going to be getting some more snow, but it's not going to be a big snow out like you have had. But let's just turn it on and let it roll, and let me tell you what's happening quick. We do have this active weather, and it's going to set to continue over the next few days, and it's going to bring bring plenty of winter weather hazards. A strengthening area of low pressure located over the upper Great Lakes is forecast to move north-northeast into southeast Ontario, Canada this afternoon. Now, behind the system, strong westerly winds and bitter temperatures will make conditions ripe for lake effect snow across the typical snow belts. To help this natural snow machine, ice coverage across the Great Lakes is currently well below average, and it's going to add more moisture to the potential of snow bands by Saturday. As much as 6 to 12 inches for you guys of snow could fall across localized regions with higher amounts possible downwind of Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. Now, this system will be responsible for light snow across the interior Northeast and New England today, as well as rain showers along the central Gulf Coast and the Southeast. Farther west, we got multiple rounds of heavy snow, which traverse the mountainous regions of the Northwest and the Northern Rockies. And after the first area of low pressure passes later this afternoon, a separate system will be on its heels and enter tomorrow, Saturday. Upwards of 2 to 3 feet of snow accumulations expected in the higher elevations by Sunday. Heavy snow is going to also be likely across the high plains of Montana, where up to a foot of snow is forecast, and winter storm warnings are in effect and include the cities such as Billings, Great Falls, Bozeman, and Montana. By late afternoon Saturday, the storm system should cross the northern Rockies and enter into the Midwest and lead to a swath of light to moderate snow from southeast Nebraska to northern Illinois. Precipitation will also develop from the Gulf Coast to the southern Appalachians, as a separate area of low pressure is going to form along the Gulf Coast tomorrow. Now, this low is forecast to move to the mid-Atlantic coast by Sunday morning and possibly bring snow from western North Carolina to coastal New England. Higher than unusual uncertainty still remains with how far inland moderate snowfall will reach according to the models, but at least light snow accumulations can be expected for the major majority of I-95 cities from Richmond to Philadelphia by Sunday morning. Meanwhile, the coldest air of the season is set to enter the northern plains tonight and slowly filter southward into the Midwest and Ohio Valley by Sunday. High temperatures are forecast to be 20 to 30 degrees below normal, and this equates to highs below zero for much of the upper Midwest and northern plains this weekend. While these temperatures are very, very cold, only a few daily records could fall. Gusty winds is going to make it feel even colder, and the wind chill advisories and watches and warnings I've showed you are out for eastern Montana, much of North Dakota, northwest Minnesota, where it could feel like I've showed you 50 degrees below zero at times. I'm not playing, folks. It's coming. Temperatures this cold are extremely dangerous and can lead to frostbite on exposed skin in just 10 minutes. Please be careful, my friends. And that's a check of your weather today. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Thanks for everything you do for me. Bundle up. If you think you've seen cold weather, you ain't seen nothing yet for a lot of us. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching.